In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, ChatGPT stands out as a remarkable innovation, captivating the imaginations of millions. At its core is an algorithm developed by OpenAI, a powerful engine that drives its ability to generate human-like responses. Today, we embark on a journey to unravel the secret behind this groundbreaking technology and uncover what OpenAI might not be telling us. The foundation of ChatGPT lies in a class of machine learning models known as transformers, introduced by Vaswani et al. In 2017, these models transform the way machines understand and generate language. The secret sauce of transformers is their ability to process input data in parallel, enabling faster and more efficient learning compared to their predecessors. Within this framework, ChatGPT harnesses the power of the Generative Pre-trained Transformer, or GPT, which is specifically fine-tuned for conversational engagement. The magic begins with pre-training. Envision a vast library of text data extracted from the internet, books, articles, and websites. This immense dataset forms the groundwork upon which GPT is built. The model undergoes extensive training to learn the intricacies of human language, including grammar, context, and even subtle nuances. This process imbues ChatGPT with a comprehensive understanding of diverse topics and conversational patterns. But what truly sets ChatGPT apart is the fine-tuning phase. Here, the model is optimized to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses. OpenAI employs a combination of reinforcement learning and supervised fine-tuning, guided by human trainers to refine the model's outputs. This iterative process ensures that ChatGPT not only understands language but also communicates in a manner that aligns with human expectations. Despite its impressive capabilities, there is more to ChatGPT than meets the eye. OpenAI has been relatively forthcoming about the architecture and training process, yet certain aspects remain veiled. For instance, the exact dataset and the proprietary modifications to the model are closely guarded secrets. This lack of transparency leaves room for speculation regarding potential biases and ethical considerations. Moreover, while ChatGPT dazzles with its conversational prowess, it is important to remember that it is not infallible. The model's responses, though frequently accurate, can sometimes be misleading or biased. OpenAI has made strides in mitigating these issues, but the complexity of human language ensures that perfect comprehension remains an elusive goal. As we delve into the future of AI, it becomes increasingly vital for developers and users alike to remain vigilant. OpenAI's commitment to scalability and safety is commendable, yet the responsibility for ensuring AI aligns with ethical standards must be shared globally. Open discourse around these technologies will allow us to harness their potential while safeguarding against their pitfalls. In conclusion, the algorithm powering ChatGPT is a testament to the leaps and bounds AI technology has made. It represents a fusion of cutting-edge research and innovative engineering, capable of transforming how we interact with machines. Yet, as we embrace this technological marvel, it is crucial to remain mindful of the boundaries and responsibilities that accompany its use. By encouraging transparency and ethical practices, we can ensure a future where AI serves as a force for good in our world.